Hello guys, how are you doing? So today I'm going to make one of those fancy like leotards type short sets that's really pretty. So if you can see, I cut the front and it's going to have a split. So if you guys see, it's going to have the split and the back. And what I did, because it's hard to put zippers, not hard to put zippers in, but it's hard to, when you have a zipper in the back, right, to unhinge that zipper to get into. So if you guys see, I did a split. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 ties on each side. And I'm going to put the bias going down here to make this a little thicker. Well, I could probably photo. Gino, stop doing the video. But this is how you make it a no zip. Gino, I said stop it. You see I'm on YouTube. Why do you do that? Okay. Gino, say hi. See? Say something. Okay, stop. So you put one on this side, and then you put one on the other side. So instead of zipping it, you could tie it to make it close. So it's one of those sparkling, banging bodysuits, and then you wear some, I'm gonna wear like some thigh-high stockings that I like to wear, and then I got the sleeves. So these are the sleeves. So I'm gonna put it together, and when it's all done and put together, I actually think I'm gonna put some tassels on it. It's that black ribbon stuff, so I'm not for sure yet. So just basically take a leotard you guys have and trace it out, get your front, get your back, and I made the back wider. So if you see the back at the bottom, make it wider if you don't want your butt out like that. You see how the back is? So I'm going to put it together, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.